Hello and welcome to Quick Dive. I'm Janice Sullivan from Sullivan J Photography, and today is part of a series of really fast videos getting right to the point. This Quick Dive video is how to change image files for the internet. I'm going to share with you how to do this in Lightroom, Photoshop, and On1. I have two files open in my library module. One is a Photoshop image, the other is a TIFF. Both of them are way too large for the internet. Go to the bottom left to export. For now, just pick your hard drive. I have it going to my desktop, not going to change the name. This is the important area right here. You want to change it to a JPEG. You want to change it to sRGB. Image size. If I want to have it as a high resolution JPEG, I click off the resize and I will leave the resolution to 100. Push export. As you can see, the original file is 381.4 megabytes. 13 is a lot smaller than the 381.4. Click export. Now you're going to pick a size. I'll leave down below a list of sizes for various social media locations. Many websites say not over a certain megapixel. We'll leave it at 4. I won't enlarge and I'll keep the resolution at 100. Export. I'm going to use unique names because I've already done one. And now you can see it's 3.3 megabytes. We'll open this in Photoshop with a right click. To export in Photoshop, you go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. Down here at the bottom, you can see image size. If I feel this is too large, I can go ahead and change this. I'll still leave it at 100%. I will leave it at JPEG. Say I'll take this to 1920. If I want to preview, click on Preview, and it will show you what it looks like on the internet. Again, you want to make sure that you have Convert to sRGB checked. Click Save. I'll put that on my desktop. I'm going to replace what I had. Now you can see that it's even smaller. It's 1.8 megabytes. Let's get into On1. In On1 Photo Raw, go to the resize area on the right hand side. Change your resolution to 100 to make a high resolution JPEG. Click down here at the bottom to export. You can change your folders where you would like everything to go. Since we're working on the desktop for now, I'll put it to desktop. Make sure it's in the sRGB color space. We're going to change it to JPEG. Go to the bottom and export. Here is my image on my desktop. Again, it's super small, 1.7 megabytes. If you have a certain dimension or width that you would like, you can change your width here. Say if it's for your blog, mine goes to 900 width. Again, I will go ahead and click below. Make sure it's a JPEG sRGB where I'm saving it to, and click export. And this image now is 390 kilobytes. I'll go ahead and put the links below on Lightroom, Photoshop, and On1, how you can purchase them. And I found a great website just sharing with you all of the social media image sizes, cheat sheets. And if you'd like to get deeper into your macro and landscape education, go to sullivanjphotography.com and sign up for our emails. I'm Janice Sullivan from Sullivan J Photography, helping you get up close and personal with your camera. Have a great day. Cheers.